Western Will County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Utica to near Gardner, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Joliet, Channahon, and Minooka around 4:40 p.m. Wilmington, Coal City, Shorewood, and Elwood around 4:45 p.m. Lakewood Shores around 4:50 p.m. Manhattan around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Wilmington, Godley, Simonton, East Brookline, Essex, Carbon Hill, and Wilton Center, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 226 and 249, and between mile markers 251 and 255. Interstate 57 between mile markers 329 and 331. Interstate 80 near mile marker 120, and between mile markers 123 and 126. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and northeastern Illinois.